Okay, the next thing we're going to do is add the Bluetooth multimeter. So this multimeter I bought from Amazon.com and I paid $73 delivered to Australia, and basically it's just a normal multimeter, but it's really handy that we can connect it via Bluetooth to our launch pad, so that way if we need to check something on the car and you need to go somewhere else and you still want to see whatever it is, voltage, resistance and such, you can take your launch pad with you and really review it from a very remote distance. Fantastic little tool, not the most diagnostic tool you can find, but it's a great little addition for very little price. So let's get the multimeter. There we have it. I'll put the link in the description. Very simple. I'll just show you how to install it. Comes with the instructions, and it gives you the old QR scanner to get this app. So obviously the launch pad will not scan that, so I had to scan it on my phone, get the Weber link address and then forward it to my email address. I did it the long way around and opened the email in my tablet and actually accessed it that way. So I'll show you how I did that. So if we get out of this, let me go to my mail. There's the address there. Hopefully you can see that, or it doesn't matter if you do or not, because you have to do that yourself from when you actually get the unit itself. So just click the address, go straight to this page, click to download. Download. Okay. So that has downloaded. Let's go to downloads. Install. App install, open. Yes, okay. So obviously what they're saying on this is that it automatically connects if it's nearby, if your Bluetooth is on. So let's just turn this on and have a little look. I'll press start. There you go. You can see them mirroring each other. So they're obviously being Bluetooth, there will be a bit of a slight delay, but probably not long enough that it's really going to affect anything that you do. So let's test it out. Let's move these leads around and see if it matches. So we've got there 131 millivolts. It's pretty close to mirroring it. Yeah, it's pretty good. I like that, pretty handy. So let's just see how quick it is if I change it to resistance. Straight to resistance. Put our terminals together. Take them apart. Very handy. Great little tool, particularly if you're doing parasitic drain. You can hook up the actual multimeter in series at the battery, take this pad with you inside the car and start looking for fuses and whatever else you might find. You can also do that with a thermal imager that we will show you how to connect later on. Alright guys, we're just going to see how good this multimeter works. I've just got my little parasitic drain tester hooked up, and as you can see it's 0.8 amps there. Now let's see how quickly this works. If I turn the multimeter on, let's bring it up. Let's wait until it's connected. It's already connected, so let's press start, and it's already reading it. That is very quick. So I've set up the interior lights to stay on inside. So what we're going to do is we're going to go inside. I'm going to take the fuse out for the interior lights and see how quickly this amperage drops via the Bluetooth connection. So let's go inside. Alright, so if you can see, I've actually got my hand there. I'm going on that fuse right now, and so let's see how quickly that drops off. we go, almost instantaneous. So let me put that back in and let's see what happens there. Straight back up again. Awesome. Now that's very handy to have in the car if you're looking for parasitic drain or you're doing something like that. You know, if you can think of any other great reasons why this Bluetooth multimeter would be any good, you know, just let us know, put it in the comments section. And yeah, hopefully that's just another little additional tool to the launch arsenal.